Let's stir them up a bit. See what they want to do this morning. We're just coming out to play, that's all. Catch and release. We don't want any trouble with them. Yep, we don't want no trouble. Let's go. We just want to play just a little bit. Little guy. That's nice, decent. Little guy though, you know. We're just coming out to play this morning, just a little bit with the new gear. That water is warm, man. Let's go, man. What's good, Will? Shout out to you, man. Sermal, let's get it. I see you got the fly gear over there. Let's get up. On back, buddy. Stir some things up over there in that moss.